If you ever wonder what people do to keep track of everything that they have to do at work, this is what I started doing and it's made such a difference. I use the Google Sheets version because I personally use Google Sheets at work, but a lot of you can't use Google Sheets, so I made an Excel version and it's super easy to use. Every day when you log in, all you have to do is click on recurring and it will add any recurring tasks that are due to the bottom of your task list. You can resort them by going to priority and selecting ascending, so that way everything is ordered from highest priority to lowest priority. Whenever a task is added to your workload throughout the week, you can mark it as unplanned. So we'll say watch task tracker tutorial, for example. It will always be not started when you mark it, and then you can select the priority. So I'll go ahead and put high, for example. If there's a deadline associated, or if you have a deadline that you want to complete it by, you can put that deadline. So let's say June 2nd, 2025. And then you can mark the task focus. So project completion, enablement, whatever you want it to be. And these are customizable based off of your position. If there's a link, you can add it. Value add is how this task brings value to the company. And when you add a task, a timestamp will automatically appear under task added. When you mark a task as pending, a timestamp will automatically appear under task started, and when you mark a task as done, a timestamp will appear under task completed, and it will move all the way to the bottom of the done tab. There's a dashboard showing exactly how many tasks you have pending and helps you prioritize them based off of the due date as well as the priority. Then you have a snapshot calendar over to the right showing what's due each day. And there's the visualizations tab so you can see exactly what type of task you're completing. This will help to make sure that you're focusing in the right areas. If you're not ready to complete a task yet, you can simply mark it as parked, and it will move from the task list to the bottom of the park tab. That way you can keep an eye on it, but it's not going to clutter up your task list. And then whenever you're ready to complete it, mark it as ready, and it will move back to the bottom of the task list. And from there, it'll work the same. All recurring tasks are customizable as well as the threshold for when they recur, and you can easily adjust the task focus over here in column P. There's a full tutorial showing exactly how to build this from scratch over on my YouTube channel. There's also a pre-built version on my shop if you'd rather go that route instead. Let me know if you have any questions and like and comment for more.